Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute spider. With a pencil, draw an oval shape to give you a guide to draw the face. Around this oval shape, draw a curved zigzag to make the hair. Then erase the oval guide. Draw the eyes one partially hidden behind the other. Draw 4 legs coming out of the right side of the head. Draw the other 4 legs on the other side of the head. Draw the spider's web. You can use a ruler for this step. Finish the spider's web with a few curved lines connecting them together. Good job! Now you can draw a cute spider. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.